Hey guys, how are you today? And welcome to another segment of Browser World. So today, what we're going to be doing, guys, is a little tutorial to show you how to make an easy caricature using 6 basic shapes. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to outline our shapes, and for that, I brought along a little number 2 pencil here. So what we'll do here is the first shape we're going to do is basically our jawline shape. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to use like a little U shape here, and this shape will usually vary in different ways. You know, sometimes it'll be a little bit more of a curved U, or sometimes but with this particular one, I'm just going to plan my caricature out by doing it like this. Okay, now my next shape that I want to draw is going to be my head shape. Okay, or my cranium shape. So I'll draw like a little circle that kind of fits like real snug right inside of this little shape here. Okay, so we said that's our second shape right there. Okay, now our third shape is going to be our eyeline or our brow shape. So that's a shape that kind of looks like a little worm almost. So just kind of pay attention to how I do it. Looks like a little worm. You see how it's wormed out right there? Okay. And then we'll do our mask shape. I don't know if you ever seen a villain in a movie wear a mask, but we're going to do a little mask shape right there. Okay. And then we'll draw our nose shape. So you can see that his nostrils on the side are higher than the nostrils in the middle. So we want to make a shape that kind of resembles that right in the middle. And then we're going to go ahead and we'll draw our cheekbone shapes. But usually they're going to look like two little like a hard-boiled egg almost cut in half. Okay, so something kind of like this here. Okay, so you see we got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we got our 6th shape, which is the shape in the bottom or the jawline shape. Okay, all right, so now what we're going to do is based off of what we drew here, we're going to go ahead and start building our caricature. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll start with my jawline shape here. Okay, so I'll draw my line here, kind of coming around. Okay. And I'm just keeping my skeleton in mind kind of as I'm drawing. Okay. Now this is our jawline. From here we can go ahead and we can put our ear shape if we like. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there. Okay. All right. Now from here, what we'll do is we'll start putting our forehead shape. Now we see here that this is the curve of the forehead, and we know that our hairline is going to fit, or our points to our hairline is going to fit right around here somewhere. Okay, and then we'll do the same thing here, and then around the edge we'll just put our little lines here. Okay, and then we're going to build our shape kind of outwards here. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead here and I'm going to draw the top of the hair here. Okay. All right, now and here we'll just put our little neck shape. All right. Now the next thing that we're going to do is in our brow line shape, we're going to put the eyebrows, obviously. So let's go ahead and do that. And you just want to make sure you pay attention to how much distance is in between the 2 eyebrows. That's very important. But that looks pretty good. Okay. We'll go ahead and we'll put our eyes inside of the mask. Okay, so our one eye will go about right here. Our other eye will go about right here. Okay, then we'll put the top of the eye here. Right? And then we'll put the bottom of the eye here. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and put our nose shape. So remember we said one nostril is kind of high up. Then we'll bring it around. Okay. Now right here what I'm going to do You see those egg shapes? Remember those? I put those in there for a reason, because it shows me where to put my features at. Okay, so the bottom of the egg will show me where I put these little lines here. The top of the egg will show me kind of where I'm going to put this here. Okay, and then we'll just use little lines to hint kind of where it goes. We'll put our mouth shape in here. Once again, one big easy shape. We'll add some lips to our shape, and then I'll add my gum line here. Okay, now let's go ahead and put the little mustache. Okay, and then we'll put our hair down here on the chin. Okay, and we're just about done here, guys. All right, let's go ahead and color in our eyebrows just a little bit. Okay, and from here, guys, all we have to do is go ahead and put our glasses on. So we'll just use a big marker like this one here for that. You can see that the line to the glasses comes way up here, kind of. Okay, and then you can see this part kind of comes down. You want to keep your shapes really basic. Okay. And do the same thing over here. Okay. And just let me darken this a little bit more. And of course, over the top, I might add some little forehead lines or whatever have you. Okay. So once you finish doing all that, you just come back with your eraser, and you erase all your shapes that you made. This is going to, like I said, this exercise is going to help you with your feature placement. So you can kind of plan the caricature out before you start drawing it, and it's easier than using that a lot of crosshair lines and stuff, because sometimes you can't see the cartoon before you start when you do it that way. So let's just go ahead and dust it off a little bit. Okay, and then my technique is to add like a little bit of a gray shade to my picture. So I'll just use like a little marker here, color in the eyes. And overall, I'm pretty pleased with the picture. And then we'll do the hair. And for the hair, I just use this marker here. And at the end, you can make any adjustments that you want. If you want to bring the hairline down a little bit or whatever, you can do that once you start coloring your picture in. Okay, put a little dark under here, and pretty much, guys, that's our quick cartoon of Iron Man. Spoiler alert, may he rest in peace. Oh, not Iron Man. Alright, guys, so there you have it. This is how you make a quick cartoon drawing of your person that you want to draw. Remember, it's just I made him into Iron Man. Okay, so remember, it's just about those 6 basic shapes. Okay, we're gonna go back and just review those again, and I'm gonna take out a sheet of paper here, and then I'll just write them down for you so you can keep them This one's a little bit dirty because our ink just bled through. So let me just put this aside. Remember, guys, it's going to be our cranium shape. Okay. Our jaw shape. Okay. Our brow shape. Our mask shape. Our nose shape. Excuse me. And then our hard-boiled eggs. Remember, they kind of turn like this. And these will represent where the cheeks go. And then your neck shape. Okay? So you want to make sure you have all 6 of those shapes when you draw your picture. And then after that, your result will be a pretty cool cartoon. Alright guys, so thanks a lot for watching our video and our tutorial. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you have any questions or comments concerning art, I'm not the guy you need to talk to. I'm messing with you. Just send us a message on YouTube. You can Facebook us. You can Instagram us. Any one of those social media sites will do. And we'll get back to you guys as soon as we possibly can. So guys, have a blessed and wonderful evening. And I hope that this cleared up how you can build a cartoon of someone with 6 easy basic shapes. Until next time, guys. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.